Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download Volkswagen We Connect Go battery stats detailed guide step by step clearly. Open your preferred web browser. Navigate to the official Volkswagen We Connect Go website. Log in to your account using your credentials. Once logged in, locate the dashboard or main interface. Look for the section labeled Battery Stats or similar. Click on that section to access battery information. You will see a summary of your vehicle's battery performance. To download the data, look for the Download or Export option. This option may be represented by an icon or a button. Select the format in which you wish to download the data. Common formats include PDF, CSV, or Excel. Click on the Download button once you've chosen the format. The file will then begin to download to your device. Check your Downloads folder for the completed file. Open the downloaded file to verify the battery stats. Make sure all the information you need is included. If necessary, repeat the process to download additional data. You now have successfully downloaded your Volkswagen We Connect Go battery stats. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.